First example I am writing, I want to do multiplication by using horizontally and vertically, right? Example 1. Example 1. Multiply, multiply, multiply 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 7 by minus 4 minus 4 xy square. Note down this question. Multiply 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 7 by minus 4xy square. Now I am going to solve this question by using horizontally and vertically, by using horizontal method and vertical method. I request all the students stop writing, concentrate here. Concentrate here, stop writing everyone. Horizontally means whatever concept we have learned, that is only horizontally, students. Horizontal means sleeping line. Vertically means standing line. Sleeping line is called horizontally and standing line is called vertically. Now we are going to do multiplication by using horizontally. Multiply 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 7 by minus 4x square. Students, always keep in mind, when you are writing the question, you need to be very careful. If sign you are writing wrong, your answer is wrong. Don't copy. I will give time to note down. First listen carefully here. 4x square minus 4x square xy square into 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 7, right? Concentrate. Already we know very well how to do this. First term, this is the first term. This is the first term. I want to multiply with all the 4 terms. I want to multiply this first, second, third, and fourth. Right? Now don't confuse. Very clear picture I have written here. Now first term is minus 4xy square into 2x square. Firstly, I want to multiply number. Digit is minus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, but minus is sign is there. Plus into minus, minus 8. Next, x degree is 1. X degree is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. X power 4. Now y square I will write as it is because y square is alone. Minus 8 x power 4 y square. First term multiplication completed. Now I am going to second term. Minus 4xy square into plus 3x square. Minus into plus. Before 4 minus sign is there. Before 3x square plus 3 is there. Plus in minus into plus minus. 4 3s are 12. X is 1. X is 2. X cube. We are not multiplying exponent. We are writing the exponent. X cube. And y square is alone. I will write y square. Second term multiplication also completed. Next, third term. minus 4xy square into minus 4x. In first term also minus, in third term also minus. Minus into minus plus. 4 into 4. Don't say 4 4 is 8. No. 4 4 is 16. X is 1. X is 1. X is square. Y square is alone as it is. Last term. Minus 4xy square plus into minus plus into 7. Before 7, what sign is there? Plus 7. Plus into minus minus. 7 4 is 28 and xy square is alone. This is the answer. This method is called horizontal method. Note down everyone this method, horizontal. Already you know this method very well. This figure is looking like parrot. Only eye is not there. If eye is there, means it looking like parrot only. But I am very poor in art, don't worry. Write down clearly everyone. Don't confuse the student in sign. Completed? Yes. Now note down vertically. Vertically. Concentrate here. Vertically. Firstly, he has given, listen carefully, vertically. 2x cube yes, 4 5 times 2 is coming. 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 7 into minus 4xy square. Okay. Normal multiplication, how we are doing, same we will do here also. Only way of writing is different, remaining everything is same. Again, this is the first term. Multiply with here. Are you getting my point, student? This figure is looking like peacock. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to do multiplication. First term multiplied by 7. 7 into minus 4. Tell me. Minus 28 xy square. First term multiplication completed. Again we'll write left side or right side? Left side. Second term. Minus into minus plus. Plus. Minus into minus plus. 4 4 ja 16. X square y square. Right? Again third term. Plus 3 into minus 4. Plus 3 into minus 4. Minus 4 into plus 3. Minus 12. X is how many? 2. X is 2 there. X is 1 here. Minus 12 x cube y square. Again last term. Minus 4 into 2. Minus 8 x cube and x power 4 y square. Check it, students. With the help of both method, our answer is coming same. Are you getting my point, student? Right. Note down example second. Multiply. Now we are going to learn two binomial multiplication. Here you are observing one term was there. Now we are going to learn two term multiplication. Example 2. Multiply. 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 Multiply 2x plus 4. Multiply 2x plus 4 by, oh, what happened? Hmm. Hmm. Got it. Yes. Multiply 2x plus 4 by x minus 3. Note down this question clearly. Now, which word they have mentioned here? By. By means second term will come first. Second expression will come first. x minus 3 into 2x plus 4. X minus 3 into 2x plus 4. Now concentrate everyone here. I request everyone stop writing, concentrate here. How to do binomial multiplication. Now, previously we have learned when monomial was there, we are multiplying. But here both term is the binomial, means especially second term x minus 3 is the binomial. Then how to multiply? X minus 3 is saying, okay, I am also separate, you are also separate. Then he is saying, okay, don't worry. X minus 3 is saying, one time you can multiply with me. And 4 also saying, if you are attacking, I will also attack to you. Both are attacking with x minus 3 only. Now we can write here 2x into x minus 3. Okay. Next plus 4 into minus 3. This is one way. Okay. Second way is what? Second way also is there. Then this is saying x minus 3 is saying, okay, you are also attacking with me. I will attack with you also. Then he is saying, okay, you can attack on us also. Then he is saying, okay. Then he is saying x into 2x plus 4 minus 3 into 4. Both way are there, student. Either second term attack to the first term or first term can attack to the second term. Depends on you, student, right? First term can attack to the second term or second term can attack to the first term. Now I am taking first term will attack to the second term because those are first, normally they will attack to the second person. Yes. I hope you are getting my point, what I have told just now. We can multiply first with second or second with plus. Now I am writing here x into 2x plus 4. Firstly, x attack with here. X attack means 3 is saying you are also attacking, I will also attack. He also ready to attack with here. Minus 3 into 4. Right? Now we know very well how to solve this question. Again, now it became monomial. It became monomial. X into 2x, 2x square, x into 4 plus 4x. Next 3 4s are minus 12. This is our answer. Here one mistake is there, student. One mistake is there. If 3 is attacking, then he will attack to both, not only 4. Yeah, that was the mistake here, boy. X is attacking on complete term. 3 will also attack with not one term, beta. 3 will also attack to the complete term. 2x plus 4. Understood? X is attacking to complete term. Again, second term also attacking with complete term. Next, 3 into minus 2, minus 6x. And 3 4s are minus 12. X I have multiplied with complete second term. Minus 3 multiplied with complete second term. Are you getting my point? because both first term is attacking with the second expression, x into 2x plus 4 minus 3 into 2x plus 4. Who is making bakara here? Only 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 is going with along with x also, 3 also. X into 2x plus 4 minus 3 into 2x plus 4. X into 2x square plus 4x minus 6x minus 12. This is not answer. Again, I want to simplify. I want to check like term and unlike term. Plus 4x minus 6x, both are unlike term. 2x square I will write as it is. Both signs are different. Subtraction. 4x minus 6x is equal to minus 2x because 6 is greater value, minus 12. Right. Our answer is right. I hope you are getting my point, student. Note down clearly. Example 3. Multiply example 3. Multiply x plus 7 by 2x plus y. By what is there? 2x plus y into x plus 7. Again, 2x plus y is ready to attack with x plus 7. Okay, let them attack. 2x into x plus 7 plus y into x plus 7. 2x into x plus 7 plus y into x plus 7. Don't confuse, this is cross means into. 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into plus 7 plus 14x, y into x, xy or yx, y into 7 plus 7y. Or all the terms are unlike term. This is our answer. Yes. Example 4. Multiply 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 Hmm. Example 4. Multiply x plus y plus z by 2x minus 3. Students, one thing I want to tell you, when we are doing multiplication, they can mention anything, either by or with or to. Same answer will come in multiplication. If they can mention by or to or with, answer will become same answer. But in the case of subtraction, in the case of addition also, they can mention anything, same answer will come. But in the case of subtraction, answer will change. If they have mentioned from second term minus first term, if they have mentioned to first term minus second term, if they have mentioned from first term to second term, then again first term minus second term. If they have mentioned from word first, if they have mentioned from x plus 7 from subtract x plus 7 and 3 plus 4, then we can write from means first word. If from word is coming first, means first minus second. If from is coming in middle, second minus first. But in the case of addition and multiplication, they can give anything, either from or with or by. Answer will be same, but way of writing is different. Here by is there, means I can write x plus y plus z into 3x minus 3, but this is the wrong. By they have mentioned means 2x minus 3 will come first and x plus y plus z will come second. Start multiplication along with me, everyone. Yes. 2x minus 3 will come first into x plus y plus z. Now first 2x want to attack. 2x into x plus y plus z. Again minus 3 also want to attack here. Minus 3 into x plus y plus z. Normal multiplication. 2x into x, 2x square, 2x, 2x into y, 2xy, 2x into z, 2xz. First term multiplication completed. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into y, minus 3y, minus 3 into z, minus 3z. All are unlike term. All are unlike term. This is the answer. If unlike term is there, means no need to do simplification beta. I hope you are getting my point.